grinds are diverted onto separate conveyors for disposal or reuse. The camera pans across parallel systems, showing dual.
The rotating industrial grinders rapidly convert the solid mass into a fine, homogenized pulp, causing the juice to flow visibly. The juice is refined further for smooth consistency. The subtle changes in texture are captured in high detail. High-pressure systems blend juice evenly. The camera focuses on turbulence inside sealed chambers. Machines operate with steady rhythm. In this high-detail process, the heated juice is rapidly cooled, resulting in the formation of significant condensation along the steel pipes.
From the vats, the liquid gold travels smoothly towards the high-speed filling lines. From the vats, the liquid gold travels smoothly towards the high-speed filling lines. Boxes are stored in large warehouses. Forklifts move in organized paths. The camera cranes upward, showing depth.
That's the last one for this pallet, right?
Yep, seal it up. We're clear for the next load.